like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys, I'm back again, and I have been to the TikTok shop again. I've been there a couple times, and I got a few surprises coming from there. And today I ordered some blue rose seeds. Well, I didn't order them, I got them today. Now, I don't know how they'll grow, I don't know. But these, I don't have the prices right now, so I will put them on the screen. I will put the link down below. What else do you need to know? And I will probably do try-ons, and I'll put them in randomly where they go. It won't seem random to you, but it's kind of random to me. Okay, I got this. I know I didn't pay very much for it, because I don't pay very much for stuff on TikTok. But isn't this cute? Isn't this cute? And it's got a little tie in the back here. So, yeah, that's cute. That needs to be tried on. This one, of course, obviously I wouldn't wear this bra with it, but that's what it looks like. I like these flowier ones because they help hide that bulge of my scar tissue that's right here. So there's that. Oh, by the way, I think this whole haul is closed. And y'all know me, and I'm always hot-blooded, but I saw this, and I fell in love with it, and I probably won't get much use out of it. Or I might, because I could use it for a winter coat. But this is one of those long sweaters. You know, the medium length sweater. So I'll try that on. And you shall see it. But I fell in love with it, and I had to have it. And I thought, you know what? Other people probably just wear it in the spring and in the fall. But I could wear it for a winter coat. The one I fell in love with. And it's just a long sweater, but it's bright pink. As you can see, it's bright pink. Really well made. And it was a great price. That's what I'm saying. I could use this as a winter coat. Because where I get so hot. So, but I do like it. I really like it. Because that's that. So, go me. And then I got this. Because, you know, I'm getting ready to go to Louisiana, and I'm trying to just get what I got. And this is a shirt. And I will try all these on, like I said. And I will tell you the price on the screen, and I'll tell you my size. And here's this shirt. This is kind of like that silky material. It's not like the Wish material, but it's that silky material. And I'll tell you what, this material stays very cool in the summer. So I really do like it. And I like the fit, nor my shorts, because I was just trying on my jammies. And then I got this one. I believe I got this one for my little big sister. I think this is the one I got her. Because where she's been helping me. Yeah, this is the one I got my little big sister. Now, it's a very nudie color. I think they called it pink, but it's nudie. It's a nude. Yeah, it's a nude. And then I got these. These, whatever. Well, this is a shirt. This is a shirt. And you can never go wrong with a black tank. And if I go wrong with it, Glenda will always take it, because that's all she wears is black, brown. Here's this one. This one's just plain black. And, you know, everybody has to have a plain black one, you know, especially like in the fall and the spring when you can put like a little flannel over it or something. And I keep telling you, you're such a colorful person. Why don't you wear colors? And she'll buy them, and all she does is turn around and give them to me. Yes. I wonder if we're going to play today. Okay, and then this one is another tank top. But I don't know. It's got no give to it. So, and maybe it's got a little bit of give, but, you know. I don't know if I'm going to like this one or not. Because I really don't. I don't know. I just don't know. This one. Which I like the way it's flowy. I do like the flow on it, so. Okay, then I got this for my, I think it's for my nephew again, but maybe not. We'll see. Yeah, this is one of those bags where they put all their goodies in, I think. Yeah. And it goes like this. And then you can, like so. And then, I don't know. He'll know, but I don't know. But I got it for him because he likes to do that stuff. He should really write a book, but he refuses. He's a very good author. And he knows what you can eat, what you can't eat. He knows all that crap. Okay, then I got these. And I got these mostly because they were on sale. Because I have a hard time with, but that's what these are. But one of mine broke already, so I don't know if see, I have TMJ, so some of these I will lose because I will be singing at the top of my lungs like a normal person, and all the neighbors think I'm crazy because I do so. They don't seem to realize that I do so because it makes them think I'm crazy, and then they leave me alone and let me get my shit done. Because then they don't want to join me and have some, you know, great talk. But it comes with this little case. You know. And I will test these out. I'm thinking about... This is editing, Debbie, and those are not worth a crap. About getting a new pair of those Labinos they got out now that go over your ear, because where I have such problems with my ears. Oh, Honeydew came back. That's what's going on. Wondered why he was out running around. Anything for Honeydew. Yeah, it's about summer. She probably wanting to quit her job and, you know. They were married for years. They broke up. He moved down here and bought this house. She came a couple summers ago and stayed. And they worked it out. And she was here for almost a year. And then she left him right before Christmas. And she's been coming back every now and then. So who knows what's going on with him. I wish him well. But anyway, that's how little it comes out to be. So that's nice. But I'll tell you about the quality, because that's what matters. And then I got this because, you know, I will be on post up until right before the holiday. So, and this is very stretchy, so some women like that, some women don't. Mostly us women that got that little middle-aged spread, we don't. Well, now this one is a little tight, but you can feel it's got a little compression in the belly. So, I don't know. I don't know. It's one of those things I'm on the fence about. Let me know down below what you think of it. Is it too tight? But anyhow, I do all kinds of unboxings on here. I do a lot of Temu. I do those on Fridays. I've been trying to do TikTok on Wednesdays. And then beauty boxes and subscription boxes and things like that on Mondays. So, come on back. Like, subscribe, and do all the YouTube stuff. Come on back and join us. Bye.